Hi there, welcome to Fenston Carter. In this video we're going to be looking at another Elements carpet. We like these carpets. They're made in Europe, they're very good quality. This is Elements Scenario. Let's have a look. 100% nylon. Why nylon? Nylon is very hard wearing and it's easy to clean. You can actually steam clean this. You'd have a problem with a woolen carpet if it got really dirty. You wouldn't be able to steam clean it. This is very easy to clean. This is super soft cut pile. I don't know if you can see this. Are you getting this? This is very soft. Let me just open that up a bit. Oh, it feels so nice. This would be lovely to get out of bed onto, I tell you. This would make a lovely bedroom carpet. Now, let's just see how thick this is. I have trouble reading this ruler. Hang on. 13mm. That's the pile depth on this carpet. 13mm. Nice colours. It's nice to see some nice colours in carpet. A lot of carpet is just greys and beiges, but these nice neutrals and good small choice of colours here. They're very nice. I like this carpet a lot. Elements scenario. Find it on our website. Fenston Carter website. Look out for it. Bye for now.